guys, in today's video I am going to tell you some blending tools that you can use in your drawing, and that blending tools will take your drawing from this level to this level. Yes, I am talking true that after watching this video you will clear all your doubts related to blending, what tools you can use for blending, and at the end of the video I am going to reveal what blending tool I use a lot for blending in my portraits. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and also come on guys, subscribe to Shruti as we are going to complete 1000 subscribers soon. So now let's start the video, and if you want paid portraits you can just DM me on my Instagram. Here is my ID. So now let's start the video. So first of all, let me tell you that what is blending. Yes, this is topic that what is blending. So let me tell you that blending is a kind of thing that mixes your pencil shading together, and there should be no strokes, like there should be a smooth shading. Like if you are going for a smooth texture, there should be a smooth shading. For that blending is used, and many different tools are used for this. And what is importance of blending in your drawing? The blending, this factor is really important in your drawing, because blending gives a realistic feel to your drawing, or realism. It adds a bit of realism to your drawing. Let's just swap this. So here I am with a blank page. So let me show you that how you can go for some tools. So here I have blending stump. If you don't know what is blending stump, you can check my earlier video in which I have shown in detail about blending stump, and this one is homemade, made DIY. So if you want to check out that tutorial, I have mentioned the link in the description. So this one is makeup brush. You can use a normal brush instead of this, like you can use a paint brush like this. It's up to your choice, but I'll prefer to use makeup brushes because it has really thin strands of hair, which helps a lot in blending. So the next thing is tissue paper. I have written all the names under the material, by which you will understand what material I'm going to use. So here is the tissue paper. This is also a good blending tool you can use in your drawing. So the next one I have got is earbuds. If you don't know what is earbuds, let me show you what it is. So here we go. As you can see, these are earbuds, or also called as cotton buds. And if you want to know more about this, you can just watch the video till the end. So the next thing is this cotton. Let me just put it aside, by which you will get a clear labeling of every material. So here you go. This is cotton, earbud, tissue paper, brush, and blending stump. So let me just take all this up aside, and let me show you that how it works and how you can blend with these materials easily. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some swatches of pencil. That is, I am going to use 4B or 2B pencil. You can use any one which you will prefer. I'm just kind of showing you a bit of demo that which is better or which helps in shading, like which part it works. So let me show you that. Let me take the pencil first. Now what I'm going to do is just shade a smaller part of my page for every blending tool, and will blend each part and show you that what is different between every blending tool. So let me start off with our first one. So I'm just going a slow method, and just going to go for a smooth shading. Like I'm not going for any harsh shading. Like as you can see, I'm going a bit slower. When you're drawing portrait, make sure you have some patience. Here I'm just going to show you that is why I'm just making it a bit faster, by which I'll cover all the points in my video. So the next swatch I will show you what is the labeling, like what blending tool I'm going to use for every swatch. Don't worry about that. And with that, if you are liking the video till here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to TRs for more videos like this. And guys, if you haven't subscribed us, make sure to subscribe. With that, make sure to follow us on Instagram. Here is my ID, and if you want paid portraits, make sure to comment down, or make sure to DM me on my Instagram. I will send you all the details related to that. So let me just complete the another one, that is our last one. So this goes a bit time, so don't worry about that, we have time. And if you are an artist, after watching this video you will clear everything about this, so don't worry. So here I have all these swatches. I'm just making it a bit darker and smoother, by which I'll get a bit of natural shading which I want you to look at. So here you go. I'm going to complete this soon. So I think I am done with all this 5 swatches of the shading. So let me start with the blending stump. What I'm going to do is slowly just rub it on my paper, not rub it, I'll just slightly drag it on my shading and just try to blend it. And you can see this homemade blending stump works really well, like similar to as which we buy from the market. So if you want more about this blending stump, that how you can make easily at home with every material which is easily available at your home, make sure to watch this video, or you can just see the link in the description and reach to that video. So I'm using earbud now. So as you can see, this also helps really nice in blending. You can use this earbud for blending in smaller areas. If you don't have anything, you can use this earbud. This also helps in blending. I especially use this for eyes areas or nose areas where are the smaller area, and for the blending stump I use it too for the smaller areas. Like, it's up to your choice. I'm going for it where I'm comfortable. So the next one I'm going to go is with cotton. So if you have cotton, you can use it. Cotton blending can be used for texture, like smooth texture, smooth shading. This helps a lot in shading in areas of skin, in areas of neck, because over there it's a soft skin. So for there you can go for a cotton. Like you can see, this goes really well for smooth shading. This blends everything up, and you can see this is really working pretty good. So you can use cotton because this is available at your home. I hope so, because this is an basic material which is available at your home. So the next I'm going for is tissue paper. So this is one of my favorite for going for skin textures. So you can see I'm going for this for blending skin tones, like the part like cheeks, the part like nose, like where it's smooth shading. I'm going for tissue paper. Like, it's up to your choice. There are 3 options: this cotton, or you can use tissue paper, or you can use this makeup brushes. So here you can see with the makeup brushes it works really well for smooth textures. And my favorite that I was going to reveal in today's video for skin texture is makeup brushes. Yes, I use it a lot in blending for skin tones. You can see the difference between blending stump, earbud, cotton, tissue paper and brushes. My favorite is brushes. You can see it blends really well, and I absolutely love its results. You can buy it online. So let's just swap this again and see what's the next thing. So I hope you have cleared all your doubts related to blending and what are tools that you can use for blending. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe down to Shruti Arts. Comment below, and also the most important thing, press the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload any kind of video on this channel. So bye bye, take care, and we're gonna meet in my next video.